Guys, I'm super excited to tell you about a project that I have just finished. For the last year, I've been working on a book that finally addresses questions that I've received on my YouTube channel for so long. Specifically, how do I stay lean, strong, and fit year-round? And how have I managed to do so for so long? I'm in my mid-40s. I'm extremely lean, strong, and agile, and I don't plan on slowing down anytime soon. This book that I will release next week, it covers the dietary strategies that I use, as well as the exercise techniques and practices that have worked so well for me for so long. And best of all, the strategies can be personalized. You can tailor them to suit you, your needs, your lifestyle, your preferences in terms of food, in terms of the exercises that you enjoy doing. Also, I've included several miscellaneous sections. For example, how did I reverse my poor eyesight in my 20s, where I went from wearing glasses to having eyesight still to this day.